Beishan, Beishan, oh Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Little tiny village called Beishan, enveloped by the greater Zhuhai. Just on the other side from Macau. Hey, 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 ba, 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 Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Take me, take me, take me, take me, take me to Beishan. Show me, show me, show me Beishan. Let me see, let me see, let me see Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Take me, take me, take me, take me to Beishan. Show me, show me, show me Beishan. Let me see, let me see, let me see Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me.
So all I really know right now is that I'm in Beishan part of Zhuhai. There's Zhuhai Avenue over there. Shanghai Road, okay. So I guess that would be down that way. Oh, and then we got a map. So I think this whole map is Beishan. So now we kind of, so I think we are, I did another video where I walked straight through like that. And I must have came here. And now I'm on this main road. And it looks like Beishan is, I'm kind of getting a sense for it. So this is video number 2 of Beishan. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on this road. And I'm just going to walk maybe down that way a little bit. And then I'm going to go in. And then we're going to probably, if I am where I think I am, I don't know if I know where I am. But anyways, we're going to figure it all out. So stay tuned. Beishan village number 2. So I went there maybe just before the New Year's Eve. So let's put Beishan up on the map so you can see exactly where it is in Zhuhai. We're not too far from Macau. And in video 1, I basically walked across the village. And in this particular one, I'm walking through the side of it, the hipster side. One side is like very traditional with like, you know, meat, fresh meat and fresh produce and things like that, right from the farms. Then the other one is like kind of gentrified. And I'm gonna be walking along that way and then along a temple and kind of into a park and then start meandering through a little bit. So it's just a slice of Beishan. It's not all of it. It's just a slice. This is number 2, and then I'll have a third video with Beishan, and I'll put it up in about 5 or 6 days from now. And that'll be the third and final one from this late December trip into Zhuhai, focusing on Beishan village. Okay, that was a mouthful. Let's just get into the walk and talk. Oh, and I got some music as well. So so the music is up, and it's just me kind of having fun. Wrote some lyrics down and threw it into AI to create some music. Okay, walk and talk time. Beishan village. Beishan. Dun 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 dun. So okay, so I believe that we are somewhere in here. So I think I'm gonna go. Oh, here's this park. So there's a park right here that I would like to see, and then it looks like there's some stuff down this way that I also would like to see. So if you saw my Beishan video number 1, and it doesn't matter which order you see it in, but I would have came down this main road all the way down here. So I think in this particular one, I'm going to explore this direction and try to get to know Beishan a little bit more, and see what's all about, see what Beishan's all about. Okay. So we do have a lot of restaurants. Once it gets a little bit darker and I can't film very well, I'm gonna enjoy some nice food here. Okay, so I have to make a decision. Do I go down one of these alleys, or do I keep going down that way? Huh. So there's something called Deal Cocktail up there. Somebody's playing cards right there. There's even some rooftops up there too that look kind of cool. A ton of them. It's like a rooftop there, up there, and then right here, and on that side too, and up there. So there's at least, let's go in here. Let's take a look and see what it's all about. Okay. Okay. So I can definitely see some interesting stuff up there. There's even surfboards up there too. So I could definitely go down that way. It would be interesting. But I'm still kind of, there's me trying to fix my jacket. Just for the reference, just for the, it's December right now. And it is nice. The weather is nice. So I'm layered up. So I'm layered up with all this jackets and warm clothing, but okay, so we are gonna go into the street, it looks like. But it'll give me an idea of what's all about in this Beishan area. It's kind of interesting because there's a bunch of stuff all lined up down that way. So I am going to try to go back into it again up here. Let me see if that's even possible. This looks like something a little bit different. So it should be more inviting, right? That's okay though. Let me just walk a little bit more. Then there are some stairs up there. Let me just kind of walk down this way. So then it seems like we have this kind of giant open area right here. We do have some steps. I feel like this is going to be going in a wrong direction. But this would be the road, Shanjiao Road. So I didn't really plan to do that. Okay, so this is Shanxi, and then that's Beishan. So that's Beishan Road right there. And then this is apparently Shanshu Road. So looks like we removed ourselves a little bit out of Beishan, it looks like, and started going down this other road. And I'm just gonna go with it. I've never been to Beishan, never been to this part of let's kind of walk into this way and kind of see what this is all about. So there's all these restaurants here. So now we're kind of getting an idea of Beishan's neighboring little district. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to go across so I can give you the full context of different stuff around here. Beishan. And now that I'm on this side, it's actually quite pleasant. Huh, this sidewalk looks like something you'd see in Bali. Bali has these sidewalks that are like kind of high up like this. Like about, yeah, like you can see they're kind of high up, right? And then they're kind of narrow, and then they have this little groove in the middle. I don't know if that's to prevent bikes from going on it or something. Okay, so now we can see part of Beishan over there. And then plus you can also see some of the other stuff on this side too. It's like some good restaurants. Okay, so we're gonna keep on exploring. I guess the bicycle, it's not a bike prevention thing because there's a bike on it already. Okay, so now we're back in here. So I think what I'm going to do is just kind of go along this perimeter here and try to get to know it, because I also saw the park here. I saw people kind of going around, and then I know that if I follow into the park, I'll go back into a different part of Beishan because I can see it from video 1. So we'll definitely go that way. It's like it all light up at nighttime. Just gonna check those out, but it's all in Chinese, so I won't make any more sense of it if I get closer. And we're on Beishan Road right now. Yeah, so the area is kind of small, but kind of interesting at the same time. Like you can see where this could really change into something really different in the future. There's even a beautiful temple right there too. It looks like there's more directly down that way, so we are definitely gonna check all that out. I think this is all the temple grounds right here, so that's one of them. Let's kind of go around here. So now you can see this temple right here. And what we're gonna do next is just there's the first foreigner that I've seen. So we're just gonna go all the way down and just try to get a feel for Beishan. Got this nice park right here. The park kind of spreads out for a while. I'm kind of curious if there's some other stuff that's near here as well. Okay, so that's actually a temple of the Yang family clan. Beishan Cultural Park, Beishan Compound Parking Lot. Okay. So that's okay. So you're still getting a feel for this area as am I. And I don't think I'll be able to film much longer because it's going to get darker and it's not going to look so good on camera. But I'm just kind of getting a taste for this anyways. So earlier I was filming in this area and I walked all the way through the street. There's also places that you can put your luggage in as well. And let me see. And so I guess this is actually the Beishan Main Street in Beishan. So that actually says that that's what that is. So we have Beishan Main Street that way, temple this way, the park is this way, and then we're gonna keep on walking down this street. And it seems like there's more stuff this way. So I have seen the main street, but this is something different. So I definitely want to explore more of this as well. Let me just tap into this briefly. So that's the main street over there. There's more stuff here. But what I want to do is I want to see what's over here. So I think that this one is the cultural market. And what I'm curious about is I see this big thing that says commune. Oh no, got music. So that music's gonna affect the video. So suddenly I go silent. That's why. Okay. So I'm gonna try to get by the music. And then we'll try to come into here. And I think this is gonna warrant a separate video. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm just gonna stop this video, and then this will be where we're gonna end for this one. So we're kind of exploring the periphery part of Beishan. I'm gonna do a third video where I'm gonna explore, go in here. So if you want to see that, just come on back to the channel to try to capture some of that.